What if harmony, that elusive state of balance and peace, could be not just conceptualized as a philosophical ideal, but comprehended as a tangible quantum reality? Today we embark on a profound voyage into the captivating crossroads of quantum mechanics and the art of harmonious living. Quantum physics is a field that rests crucially on the principle of interconnectedness, an idea that suggests that every single entity in the cosmos is fundamentally entwined with every other. It's a concept that is transformative in nature, shaking the very foundations of our conventional understanding of separation and isolation. It pushes us, nudges us, and even compels us to view our world, our universe, through a fresh lens, a lens of relationships and connections, a lens of mutual existence. As we journey down the path towards harmony, this groundbreaking comprehension of interconnectedness could potentially be a game changer. It doesn't just encourage us, but invites us, beckons us to recognize and appreciate the complex and intricate web of relationships that bind us to each other and to the world us. It fosters within us a deeper sense of empathy and compassion, augmenting our capacity for understanding and unity. It promotes a sense of unity that goes beyond our immediate surroundings, expanding our perspectives to encompass the larger universe. In the pursuit of harmony, this understanding of interconnectedness can be a game changer. It invites us to acknowledge the intricate web of relationships that bind us to each other and the world, fostering a deeper sense of empathy, compassion, and unity. A key pillar of quantum mechanics is the principle of superposition. This central concept, often considered one of the most fascinating aspects of quantum physics, is brimming with intriguing implications. Intriguing it is, as it fundamentally challenges our conventional understanding of the physical world. It suggests that particles, those microscopic building blocks of matter, can exist in several states simultaneously until they're observed or measured. This duality, or rather multiplicity of states, is a concept that can be seen as mind-boggling. It's an idea that upends our firmly held beliefs about the concrete nature of reality. Yet, it also encapsulates the beauty of quantum mechanics. This principle elucidates the inherent potential and flexibility present in every particle, every situation has not just one, but multiple possibilities. We can extend this principle to our lives, to our understanding of ourselves. Just like quantum particles, we too can exist in a state of multiple possibilities. We are not merely a product of our past, nor are we wholly defined by our current circumstances. We are not bound by fixed identities, rigid expectations, or predetermined paths. On the contrary, we possess the capacity for change, the potential for and the chance for constant evolution. We can harness our capability to explore different paths and potentials, to reinvent ourselves, to embrace the new and the unknown. Life, like quantum mechanics, is a field of limitless possibilities. Instead, we can develop an openness and curiosity that allows us to explore different paths and potentials. Quantum entanglement, a principle that shines a spotlight on the invisible, non-local connections between particles, serves as a stark reminder of the profound interconnectedness that potentially exists within our universe. It suggests that events happening in a tiny corner of the vast cosmos can instantly affect happenings in a completely unrelated section, with no regard for the astronomical distances that may separate them. In essence, this principle underlines the possibility of instantaneous communication across the universe, challenging our common perceptions of space and time. Quantum entanglement teaches us that there's no such thing as isolation in the cosmos. Everything is interconnected at a level deeper than we can comprehend. In a rather philosophical interpretation, when applying this principle to the concept of harmonious living, it encourages us to deeply reflect on the ripple effects of our individual actions and intentions. It proposes the thought that our everyday choices, our seemingly insignificant decisions, can potentially have far-reaching influences. It urges us to be mindful of actions, to be aware of our intentions, and to perceive our lives not as a series of disconnected events, but as a network of connected instances. It prompts us to take a step back, considering our place in the world, and comprehend the possible repercussions of our choices on the larger canvas of life. It invites us to cultivate mindfulness and awareness, recognizing the interconnected nature of our choices and their impact on the wider world. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, a key tenet of quantum mechanics, reminds us of the inherent unpredictability and dynamism of life. This principle, named after the renowned physicist Werner Heisenberg, proposes a fascinating concept. The more precisely the position of a particle is determined, the less precisely its momentum can be known, and vice versa. It's a concept that challenges our conventional understanding and forces us to confront the very essence of reality. In many ways, this principle mirrors our own human existence. Our lives, much like the particles Heisenberg studied, are characterized by an inherent unpredictability. We try to plan and control things, only to realize that life is not always predictable. But rather than being a cause for despair, this unpredictability can be an opportunity for growth. It invites us to embrace the ebb and flow of life, to become comfortable with uncertainty, and to see it not as a threat, but as an invitation to adapt and grow. It asks us to the fluidity of life, the constant change, the ever-evolving circumstances. As we navigate through the complexities of existence, we learn to cultivate resilience. We learn to adapt, to change, to evolve. We learn to trust in the process, to have faith in the journey, and to surrender to the unending flow of life. We learn to appreciate the beauty of uncertainty, and in doing so, we find a deeper connection with the world around us. As we navigate through the complexities of existence, we can nurture resilience, adaptability, and trust in the unfolding process. Quantum coherence, the state of alignment and harmony among quantum particles, provides a profound metaphor for the power of synergy and alignment. This concept, deeply rooted in the complex and fascinating field of quantum physics, has been known to provide strikingly accurate metaphors for many aspects of reality. Quantum particles, at their most fundamental level, are the building blocks of everything that exists in our universe. Their behaviors, though often considered paradoxically baffling, offer us unique and profound insights. Coherence in the quantum world refers to the perfect synchronization of these particles, a state where they are completely aligned and harmonized in their vibrations. Just as the synchronization of a group of dancers creates a beautiful spectacle, the alignment of quantum particles creates a state stability and efficiency that is unparalleled in the natural world. Coherent quantum systems are more resilient, more efficient, and more powerful because of their unison. This unison, in many ways, is the quintessence of harmony. The metaphorical bridge that quantum coherence provides us is a powerful one. It prompts us to contemplate the immense potential of synergy, highlighting the extraordinary results that come from unity and alignment. It nudges us to reflect on our own lives, examining whether our thoughts, actions, and values are in alignment. Are our thoughts coherent with our actions? Do our values align with our decisions? Are our dreams in harmony with our deeds? These questions make us realize the scope and value of achieving coherence in our lives. Just as coherent quantum systems exhibit greater stability and efficiency, we too can strive for coherence in our lives by aligning our thoughts, actions, and values. Finally, quantum tunneling, a phenomenon that allows particles to overcome energy barriers instantaneously, offers an inspiring message of breakthrough and transformation. In our quest for harmonious living, we may face obstacles and challenges that seem insurmountable. However, by harnessing the principles of perseverance, resilience, and faith, we can overcome these barriers just as particles do in quantum tunneling. Yet, by harnessing the principles of persistence, resilience, and creative problem-solving, we can transcend limitations and realize our fullest potential. As we wrap things up, remember that the quest for harmony is not just an abstract idea. It's a dynamic progression shaped by the deep-seated insights of quantum physics. By embracing interconnectedness, superposition, entanglement, uncertainty, coherence, and tunneling, we can foster a more balanced, integrated, and satisfying way of existence. As we traverse the intricacies of life, let us pull inspiration from the quantum realm and strive to live in harmony with ourselves, with others, and the universe as a whole.